Here's a quick little review of this fun little P-51D Mustang RC plane. We got this in the mail from Amazon, and it was so much fun. It was a breeze to fly. My 11-year-old son took to it right away, had no issues really. The problem became when with the propellers here. So I guess specifically not the propellers. The propeller is designed once it crash lands to just pop right on off, and it did that beautifully every single time, as you can see, with very minimal damage here. Like, fantastic condition. The problem is the piece that holds the propeller onto the plane right there. Whenever it would land, see, it kind of seats in. It's supposed to make a full circle. Whenever it would, the propeller would pop off, that piece could potentially break. So as you can see, there's even a crack right there at the top piece of it as well, which means that that third of the seat of this circle will also break at some point. Now, if the propeller does not seat perfectly on here, then the propeller, when you give it throttle, just shoots off itself. So luckily, they sent a replacement, or there's a replacement in the box. I thought, okay, maybe this one is, a little bit fragile. I took it off, put the new one on, and as you can see, this is the second one right here. And I thought, what is going on here? What are the odds? So I asked for a replacement. We got the replacement here. You're not gonna believe it. The exact same issue continues to occur. We've had a total between the two planes of about 25 minutes of flight time. Hadn't even got through one battery. It is a blast to fly. It is so much fun, and it is so easy. It is great. But if the propeller does not stick onto the plane, it is, for all intents and purposes, useless.
So I bought this yesterday, and it flew good when I first tried it out. Then, now I'm flying it today, a day later, and I've been flying it for 20 minutes in an open field, and it's just completely broke. So now the conveyor belt, the belt inside for the fan that makes the thing spin, it fell off, and we can't access the engine.
So here, turn it on so they can see it.
I don't have the battery in. But,
So if you turn it on to spin the battery after just 20 minutes of playing, it is broken, and we know it needs to be fixed, but cannot access it or reach it without cutting the styrofoam. So I feel like it's a design flaw that you can't reach the parts to fix them. We would not recommend this plane. So that's turning it on, and the propeller will not spin because there's a broken component within this area that we cannot get to.
Here it comes again. That was cool.
Blake, bring it over this way.
I wish mine had loopy-loop.